Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll show you how to post anonymously in a Facebook group. So let's get started. Go to the group where you want to post. Tap Anonymous Post option. A prompt will appear explaining how anonymous posts work. Create an anonymous post by tapping Create Anonymous Post. Make your post and click Submit. The post will be displayed in this group without a name. The name will still be visible to the admins and moderators of the group and Facebook systems. To post anonymously via phone, go to the Facebook group on which you want to post anonymously. Click on the option, I want to post anonymously. Now write your post and click Post. So with this method, you can post anonymously in a Facebook group. So that's all for today, and I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.